Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us find the shaded area in this triangle. We need to find the area shaded purple, that is area ADB. When we observe our triangle, we have the height of 24 centimeter, which is common to all triangle, that is triangle ADC, triangle ABC, and also it is common to triangle ADB. So, for this shaded triangle, we are missing the base, that is distance DB. First, let us find the distance CB by using triangle ACB. So, we are going to use triangle ACB to find a distance CB. CB equal to what? We are going to use Pythagoras theory, that is a square plus b square. This is equal to c square. I'm going to call a as 24, so a is equal to 24. B, this is equal to distance CB that we don't have, and C, this is equal to 40 centimeter. So let us substitute this to our Pythagoras theory. That is going to be 24 square plus b square. This is equal to 40 square. 24 square is equal to 576 plus b square. This is equal to 40 square is equal to 1,600. Take 576 to the right hand side. We are going to remain with b square is equal to 1,600. Take away 576. B square is equal to 1,024. Take the square root both sides. So b is equal to the square root of 1,024 is 32. This is centimeter. So distance CB, this distance is equal to 32 centimeter. Now let us find distance CD by using triangle ACD. So I'm going to consider triangle ACD. I'm going to use Pythagoras theory, that is a square plus b square. This is equal to c square. As per triangle ACD, our a is equal to 24, b is equal to distance CD, but we don't have that, and c is equal to 30 centimeter. I'm going to substitute this to my formula, that is going to be 24 square plus b square. This is equal to 30 square. 24 square is 576 plus b square. This is equal to 900. Take 576 to the right hand side. We remain with b square. This is equal to 900. Take away 576. We got b square. This is equal to 324. Take the square root both sides. We get b. This is equal to 18 centimeter. So CD, this is 18 centimeter. Now we are looking for the base of the shaded part, that is distance DB, which we are going to get by taking distance CB, that is 32, take away distance CD, that is 18. So distance DB, this is equal to 32, take away 18. we are going to get that is equal to 14 centimeter. So this distance here is 14 centimeter. From here now we can get the area easily, because area of the triangle is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Our base, this is equal to 14 centimeter. Our height is equal to 24 centimeter. Area is equal to a half multiplied by base, that is 14, multiplied by the height, which is 24, by 2, 1, by 2, we get 12. 14 multiplied by 12, we got the area is equal to 168 centimeter square. So the shaded area, that is area painted purple, is equal to 168 centimeter square. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on areas and perimeter, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.